Every night, your pillow feels soft, comforting even. But what if it's quietly damaging your neck, your skin, your spine, and even your breathing, without you knowing? Sleep experts now warn, bad pillow habits don't just cause a sore neck. They can trigger jaw pain, premature aging, restrict oxygen, and even impact your heart and brain over time. These 12 common mistakes are easy to miss, but serious in impact. And one of them may already be causing pain, poor sleep, or morning exhaustion in your life right now. The real question isn't, is your pillow comfortable? Is it silently working against your health while you rest? Stick with me, because mistake number 7 could be why you wake up stiff, sore, or even snoring without realizing your pillow is to blame. Number 1. Using a pillow that's too high. Using a pillow that's too high may feel cozy, but it's a major culprit for neck pain. When your head is lifted too much, your neck bends unnaturally, causing nerve pinching, muscle tightness, and sharp pain when you wake up. Your spine thrives on a neutral position, and an extra thick pillow throws that alignment off balance, especially for back and side sleepers.
The right pillow to use when it comes to sleeping on your side is a pillow that keeps your head in line with your spine.
This poor posture doesn't just hurt your neck, it can strain your upper back and shoulders, and even trigger headaches. Too much pillow isn't just a matter of preference, it's a health hazard hiding in your bed. But going too low isn't the solution either. Let's talk about that next. Number 2. Using a pillow that's too flat. Using a pillow that's too flat might seem fine, especially if you prefer sleeping low, but it quietly pulls your neck out of alignment. Instead of your head being pushed forward, it drops back, stretching your neck at an awkward angle for hours. This can put pressure on your upper spine, tighten neck muscles, and even mess with your breathing if you sleep on your back. You might wake up feeling stiff, groggy, or with headaches and shoulder tension.
You may need to get a thinner pillow so that your head's closer to the mattress, or even look at cervical pillows. Katie, have you ever seen benefit from using cervical pillows at night?
Yes.
Are they something you continue to use?
No.
No. So you might just need to find a thinner, normal pillow, or you can buy one of these cervical pillows. I've actually never seen anyone use them for long term.
For side sleepers, flat pillows are worse. With no support between your head and shoulder, your neck hangs in the air, leading to poor posture and long-term pain. A good pillow holds your head gently in place. If it's too thin or worn out, it's time for a change. Now let's move on to something more hidden, the actual materials your pillow is made of. That might be affecting your health more than you think. Good support is key, but before we continue, where are you watching from today? Drop your city or country below. Number 3. Sleeping on a pillow made with toxic foam. Sleeping on a pillow made with toxic foam is more common than most people realize. Many low-cost memory foam pillows are packed with synthetic materials that release irritating gases, especially when they're new. That weird chemical smell that hits you the moment you unwrap it? That's called off-gassing. But even when the smell fades, those invisible gases can keep leaking out for weeks, even months. You might wake up with a dry throat, itchy skin, or just feeling off, and not even suspect your pillow. Over time, these toxins can directly harm your breathing and even affect brain health, especially in rooms with poor airflow. The safe move? Choose a pillow that's Certipur US or Ecotech certified, or filled with organic cotton, bamboo, or natural latex. But just because your pillow doesn't smell bad doesn't mean it's safe. Even the wrong shape or design could still harm you. Let's talk about it now. Number 4. Using a pillow with the wrong shape for your neck. Using a pillow with the wrong shape for your neck might not seem like a big deal, but it can quietly mess up your whole night. Your neck has a natural curve that needs support, and when that support isn't there, everything goes off balance. Flat pillows or ones that are too puffy in the wrong places force your neck into awkward angles. That pressure can pinch nerves, strain muscles, and leave you waking up stiff, sore, or even feeling dizzy. You might think you're just having a bad sleep, but really, your pillow is setting you up for tension headaches, shoulder pain, or even numbness in your arms.
Proper way to sleep so that you don't wake up on the wrong side of the bed. Number 1, sleeping on your back. This way, the curve in your neck is supported and there's no stress on your spine. The second best option is sleeping on your side. This way, your neck is still supported with minimal stress on your spine.
A good pillow should gently fill the space between your head and shoulders without forcing anything out of alignment. It's not just about being soft or firm, it's about matching the natural shape of your neck. And the wrong size? That's another trap coming up next. Number 5. Sleeping on a pillow. that's too small or too big. Sleeping on a pillow that's too small or too big throws your sleep alignment off. A pillow that's too small can't fill the gap between your shoulder and head, so your neck tilts backward or to the side all night. An oversized pillow pushes your chin forward, straining neck muscles and forcing your spine into an awkward curve.
Here is a thin pillow, better for females who are not as wide from the shoulder to the head. So if I sleep on this thin pillow, my head is propped down. It's not level. I need to get a thicker pillow for me because I have wider shoulders. But you want to make sure that your head stays in line with your spine. When it's too high or too low, you're going to have lots of problems.
Both scenarios keep muscles tense, so you wake up stiff, sore, and exhausted. Your skin suffers too. Constant pressure in the wrong spots leads to early wrinkles and sagging around your neck and jaw. Choosing the correct pillow size means your head, neck, and shoulders stay in alignment, giving your body rest at night and protecting skin. Got the right size? Great! Now let's talk about a pillow mistake that's full of creepy crawlies. Number 6. Not washing your pillow properly. Dirty pillows hold sweat, oils, bugs, and germs, turning what looks like a soft place to rest into a breeding ground for all kinds of nastiness. As you sleep, you're pressing your face and nose into that hidden grime. And over time, it builds up enough to trigger allergies, cause skin breakouts, and even stress your immune system.
You're sleeping on a dirty old yellow stained pillow like this could be hazardous to your health. The dermatologist and let me explain. Actually, an accumulation of dirt, grime, and moisture that can lead to problems with your skin and your respiratory system and sleep health. Moisture is the #1 culprit of these yellow stains. It can be caused by things like drooling in your sleep, sleeping with wet hair like this, oil and sebum buildup from your skin, makeup like this.
You might blame your morning sniffles or those unexplained pimples on everything but your pillow, yet the real culprit is that unseen buildup. Washing your pillowcase weekly is a start, but the pillow itself needs attention too. Most can be machine washed if you follow the care tag, then dried completely to avoid mold.
Could your pillow be damaging your skin? Potentially, yes. So first up is if you're not washing your pillowcase frequently enough, you're going to be building up dead skin cells, product from your hair, product from your skin, sebum, all onto that pillowcase. And so if you don't wash them frequently enough, you are going to be at more risk of skin conditions like or breakouts.
A clean pillow means clearer airways, healthier skin, and a stronger immune response, so you wake up refreshed, not fighting off irritants. Even a clean pillow might hurt you if it's too old. Let's see why age matters next. Number 7. Keeping a pillow for too many years. Old pillows get flat, dirty, and lose their support over time, turning a once comfy sleep surface into a source of discomfort. As the filling compresses, your head sinks too low, throwing off spine alignment and leading to sagging posture.
If your pillow is yellow, that can put you at risk for clogged pores and cause breakouts and acne like this. If you have sensitive skin, it could cause flare-ups of things like atopic dermatitis, eczema, or rosacea. These yellow pillows are a breeding ground for things like dust mites. Little mites love to eat up our dead skin. Your pillow is covered in them. It means you could be inhaling them, their urine, or their feces, which can inflame or irritate your airways, especially if you have asthma. So if your pillow looks like this, sorry, but you gotta get rid of it.
You might wake up with neck pain that sticks around all day, or notice more snoring and difficulty breathing since your airway isn't properly supported. Even regular washing can't restore lost loft or remove years of trapped dust and allergens. Most experts recommend replacing pillows every 1 to 2 years to ensure they maintain their shape and cleanliness. A fresh pillow restores proper neck and head positioning, promotes easier breathing, and reduces morning aches. If you're thinking about a new pillow, next I'll show you why you have to match your pillow to your own body. Number 8. Choosing a pillow without thinking about your body type. Choosing a pillow without thinking about your body type can cause more harm than you'd expect. People with broader shoulders or a larger frame need firmer, thicker support to keep their spine in a straight line, while someone smaller benefits from a lighter, softer fill that prevents the neck from bending unnaturally. A pillow that's too firm for a petite person can push the head up too high and strain muscles, and a too soft pillow under a heavier body can flatten out completely, collapsing and letting the head sink. Over time, these mismatches can lead to chronic pain, poor posture, and restless nights as your body fights to find comfort. Picking a pillow that matches your build helps maintain proper alignment, reduces tension, and improves sleep quality. Everyone deserves rest that suits their shape. Your body matters, but so does what's stuffed inside your pillow. Let's check that next. Number 9. Sleeping on a pillow stuffed with allergens. Some pillow fills, like cheap feathers or low-quality foam, tend to trap dust, pollen, and other allergens deep inside the fabric. As you rest your head, those particles get stirred up and released into the air you breathe, leading to sneezing fits, itchy eyes, or even asthma flare-ups in the middle of the night. Your skin can react too, with irritation or tiny bumps from constant exposure to these irritants. You might think your bedroom is clean, but your pillow could be full of unseen triggers. Switching to a hypoallergenic pillow with synthetic microfiber or natural latex fill can greatly reduce those sneezes and skin reactions. It's a simple change that makes a big difference in breathing freely and sleeping through the night without discomfort. But even if your nose feels fine, your jaw could still be suffering. Let's fix that next. Number 10. Using a pillow that pushes your jaw forward. Using a pillow that pushes your jaw forward places unnecessary pressure on your temporomandibular joint, TMJ, leading to pain, stiffness, and headaches upon waking. When your pillow is too thick or angled incorrectly, it tilts your head downward, thrusting your chin toward your chest and straining the muscles and ligaments around your jaw joint. Over time, this misalignment can trigger clenching or grinding, and in severe cases, it can cause your jaw to lock or become painful to move. Waking up with jaw soreness or persistent tension isn't just annoying. It can affect how you speak, eat, and even smile. The solution is finding a pillow that keeps your head, neck, and jaw in a straight line without forcing anything forward. Pillows designed specifically for TMJ relief, such as the Tempur-Pedic Temper Neck Pillow or the Pure Comfort Height-Adjustable Memory Foam Pillow, provide ergonomic support to maintain proper alignment and alleviate tension in the jaw area. Once your jaw alignment feels natural throughout the night, you'll notice less pain and fewer headaches. If your jaw feels tight, it's time to consider how your pillow might be contributing to the discomfort. Number 11. Not using a pillowcase that protects your skin. Sleeping on rough or unclean pillowcases can compromise your skin barrier, leading to irritation, breakouts, and accelerated wrinkle formation. Fabrics that scrape against your face cause microscopic damage, making it harder for your skin to retain moisture and heal overnight. Dirt, oils, and bacteria trapped in the weave only exacerbate the issue, clogging pores and inviting inflammation.
If your skin's breaking out often, you're getting acne and other problems, look at your pillowcase. Because of the fact that over the course of a few days, dead skin cells, oils, as well as bacteria build up on these pillowcases.
Switching to a smooth, breathable fabric like silk or high-quality cotton and washing it often protects your skin while you sleep. Silk pillowcases, in particular, are less absorbent than cotton, helping to maintain skin hydration and reduce friction that can lead to wrinkles. Skin saved, but your breathing might still be in danger. Let's tackle the final and most serious mistake next. Number 12. Sleeping on a pillow that blocks airway support. Using a pillow with improper height or firmness can block your airway and make breathing a struggle at night, leading to snoring, restless sleep, and poor oxygen supply to your brain. Over time, this stress on your heart and lungs can cause daytime fatigue, headaches, and even raise blood pressure. Your pillow should keep your head and neck in a neutral line, allowing air to flow freely without any kinks or pressure on your throat. Adjusting to the right height means calmer nights, deeper rest, and mornings without that heavy, groggy feeling. You made it! Now you know the 12 biggest pillow mistakes and how to fix them before they ruin your body. So, just by fixing your pillow, you can save yourself from numerous health issues, and it all starts tonight. Which one of the mistakes surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing tips on better health.